Hello, and welcome to PhotoPad. PhotoPad allows people, businesses, and organizations to share their story through photos. With PhotoPad, you can create, customize, and design a pad that allows for you to brand yourself in a magazine-like platform, creating lookbooks, photo albums, and much, much more. Now, let us begin. Normally, to make a new account, we click Join Today in the top right section of our screen. But for this video, we are going to sign in with our PhotoPad demo account. Now, one nice thing about PhotoPad is we are allowed to sign in using Facebook or Twitter to publicize social media and reach out to all your followers and friends. For now, we are going to use the PhotoPad demo account. Here we see our blank screen of what our homepage would look like after we've signed in. Now let's go over all of these icons on our screen. On the left top we have categories. This allows us to look through and choose certain topics of pads that others have posted, including our own, such as family, travel, and music. Or we can search for a keyword of a title such as weddings. We just type it in and hit search. The next button is the filter button. This allows us to look up all pads, my pads, pads you follow, or the favorite pads you have favorited in the past. If you're a little lost, the help button with a question mark allows you to give a brief explanation of what each icon means on the home screen. Below that, we have the feedback button. The more feedback we have, the better PhotoPad will become. So please, if you have any feedback, feel free to let us know. And below we have our about signs to let you guys know how our contacts are available. Let's now see what an actual pad looks like. Here's the Styles I Crave pad created by one of our designers themselves. On the left, our home icon is our very first icon we see. Below is the downloaded icon, which allows you to download any pad you see. The embedded code icon, which allows you to copy the code that creates the pad. Again, we have the help button if you're lost with any of the icons. And again, a feedback icon for any comments or opinions you have on the PhotoPad app. Here we see how the pad is constructed. On the top right, we can actually extend open the sidebar to allow us to see how many views the PhotoPad had, how many favorites the pad had, and also to allow us to post on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+, or email the pad itself. You can also follow the creator or favorite the pad. Below, we have related pads of the pad you're looking at, and you can comment on the pad. Below the sidebar icon is the full screen icon that allows you to see the PhotoPad full screen. Below that, you can once again comment on the pad if you have any opinions. Now let's get started on creating our own pad. By first clicking on our home screen button, we move to the top right where it says Create Pad. This now allows us to choose a category for what the pad is. For this one, it will be travel. You can add a title and description of what your pad will be for your viewers. Or, you have the option of creating this pad as a private event. This will only allow you and your login to see it. You can also tag anyone or anything for this pad. Now once we get started, we open up to a clear blank canvas. This is a great start, and we're going through our icons. On the top left, we have our home button. Next, we have our layout button. This allows you to find pre-made layouts or themes for your pad if you have anything in specific. And since this pad is a travel one, we will click on the travel themed layout. This icon also allows you to add shapes to your pad. Below this icon, we have the background icon. This allows you to search the World Wide Web for the best result photos of a certain keyword you type in. You can also have a single colored background such as blue. or have a textured background that will give a 3D effect to your page. You can also choose one of the example photos given by PhotoPad, or choose one of your own photos that you have in your own library. Now below the texture icon, we have the photo icon. This allows you to actually once again search on the internet for the best results of your typed word. So we're going to use France, for example. Now once you click on the photo, you're able to resize it using the little red dots on each corner. Similar to the photo icon, the video icon allows you to add videos from the internet or from your own personal library. Below the video icon, we have the text icon. This allows you to actually add a title to the pad. Below that, you can add a tag to the pad or a certain page. And below that, we have the save icon. Now on the top right, we click the edit icon to actually edit the pad. Below that is the clear all icon. Now we're not going to click on that because it will delete everything on the page that you have created, heading you back to the clear white blank canvas. Below the clear all icon is the undo icon that allows you to undo a single mistake you made. Below that, we have the trash icon that actually will allow you to delete whatever you are clicked on, like I have used for the text. Below is the rotate icon, the copy icon if you want to copy the image, but we're actually going to delete that one. The format icon will allow you to send forward or backward a specific photo. Below that is the photo editing app or the contrast app that will allow you to choose different colors to add to your screen, and then the zoom in and out slide. But once you click on a photo, it'll change to a photo editing app, which we will see in our sub video. Now that we've gone through all the icons, let's finish this pad. Alright, now that we're close to finishing, here we can click to make this certain page the cover page for the pad, as well as adding additional pages if we prefer. To see more info, please click the photo editing tutorial itself, and have a great day.